Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tasty mixed veg sabji. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 cups of mixed vegetables cut into 1-inch pieces. Also, prepare 1 medium onion, 2 tomatoes, and 1 inch of ginger, all finely chopped. Have 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida ready for tempering. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, letting them splutter for a few seconds. Next, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a light golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step builds the base flavor. Once the onions are ready, add the chopped ginger and tomatoes, cooking until they soften, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, it's time for spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, and ½ a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add your mixed vegetables and ½ a cup of water, then cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until tender. Finally, uncover the pan and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes if there's excess water, allowing it to evaporate. Stir in ½ a teaspoon of garam masala and garnish with fresh cilantro. Your tasty mix, Veg Sabji, is now ready to be served hot with roti or rice. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.